Hey guys, this is Sarah and I'm a food editor here at the Feedfeed, and today I'm going to show you how to make a savory spinach and artichoke galette with caramelized onions and burrata. I am like totally sweet galette team all day, every day, but I will say I will make an exception for this galette any day because it's so good. Let's get started. All right kids, listen up. Oh me. We are gonna start by making our dough. So I'm gonna do half whole wheat flour and I'm gonna do half all-purpose flour and a little bit of salt there. Then we're gonna add our chilled and cubed butter. And what we're doing here is we're basically just like working the flour into the butter, and then we're gonna wait until this mixture sort of resembles like little pea-sized crumbles. It's the same ingredients as like what's in a pie, it's just not baked in a pie dish, it's free form and it's just baked on a baking sheet, so it's just more like rustic, but it tastes just as delicious. It's galette season, people, the most wonderful time of the year. I'm gonna form like a little well here, and then we're gonna add some ice water and just sort of work that into our dough. So I'm gonna transfer this to a lightly floured surface, form it into a disc, wrap it in plastic wrap, and then put it in the fridge for an hour so that the glutens can chill out, and then it'll be ready to go. Lollipop, oh lolly, 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 lollipop. All right, we have got our dough chilling in the fridge, so while that's going, I'm gonna start on the filling. So we're gonna melt some butter, and we're gonna start caramelizing some onions. How does that sound to you, Haley?
Good.
Someone give this girl a mic. She's got a story to tell. All right, once this butter is melted, I'm gonna turn the heat down because we're gonna go nice and low and slow on the onions. We're in no hurry. We've still got like an hour before the dough is ready, so let's take our time, shall we? We've got nothing but air and opportunity. The sliced yellow onions. Oh yeah. Anyone that tells you that you can caramelize onions in like 10 minutes is a damn liar.
A what?
A liar. But doesn't it smell nice? My brother does this thing where he likes to discuss with people what their favorite apps are. I think he calls it the Mount Rushmore of apps, so you have to like pick your 4 favorite appetizers. But spinach artichoke is one of his favorite appetizers. And I'd like to dedicate this galette to my big brother Max.
What are your 4 apps?
Fried calamari, raw oysters, Oh yeah, buffalo chicken wings with blue cheese dressing, Should I FaceTime him?
Yeah.
Max, you're on camera right now. What are your Mount Rushmore of appetizers?
Wings, nachos, spinach artichoke dip, calamari.
I'm making a spinach artichoke galette right now, and I was telling everyone about your Mount Rushmore.
A spinach artichoke what?
Galette.
Is that like a souffle?
As you can see, I'm the foodie of the family.
Is it dense like how Dad makes his like egg
It's not that dense. Talk to you later, pal. My dad's gonna be like, what quiche? The quiche. The quiche, Dad. You know the quiche. So we've got our caramelized onions here. They're looking very good. They're ready to go. This has been about like, I'd say like 35 to 40 minutes. So like, you know, like I said, take your time with these. It's definitely worth the wait. And add some garlic. This is sliced garlic. Love some garlic, can't have too much. I'm gonna go ahead and add the artichoke hearts. I'm gonna add some cream cheese. Mix this until it's nice and creamy. Okay, now we're gonna add the spinach. We're gonna do this a cup at a time just so that it can like wilt. The camera lady says it smells nice. Yes. Finish this off with a little bit of salt and pepper, and then we'll assemble. Yippee! Are you getting this nice audio? So now I'm gonna roll out the dough, and then once the dough is nice and rolled out in about a circle that's a 12-inch diameter, I'm gonna fill it with the spinach and artichoke filling. I'm gonna leave 2 inches off to the side so that we can fold those up to make the galette. And then I'm gonna brush it with egg wash and send it in the oven. I'm gonna toss this galette in the oven at 375 for about 25 to 30 minutes, basically when it's golden brown. So we've got about like 5 minutes left of baking, and so I'm just gonna slide the burrata on now so that it kind of warms in the final minutes of baking in the oven. The galette is out of the oven, so I'm just gonna finish it off with some lemon zest to just brighten everything up, fresh parm, a little bit of basil, red chili flakes. There's so many toppings, but it's all about the garnish. Just bear with me. And then salt and pepper. And then it's time to eat. Yay. The camera lady is liking what she's smelling. That's a good sign. Ooh. Wait for it. Mmm. Mm, 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 mm. All right, I'm gonna do a little fork situation because I'm not a monster. Or am I? Mmm, yummy. Okay. I'm going heavy on the burrata with this bite. Mmm, yum. Galettes have fun. Everyone hates me.
Would Max eat this?
Oh, Max, I have to take a picture and send it to him. Big brother. This one's for you, Max. Love you like a brother. All right, you guys, this is the savory galette of the summer. You heard it first. Make it, enjoy it, take pictures of it, and don't forget to tag Feedfeed and me. We want to see what you guys are cooking up, and we'll see you next time. Galettes do it.